Hello, this is Gigi with ASO Networks LLC. Let me show you one of my favorite screen sharing online meeting and collaboration utility, and it's Join.me. The nice thing about Join.me is you can go and log into any computer with any kind of browsers, usually as long as you have Flash, Adobe Flash, and internet connection. It'll allow you to share your screen or your computer screen to someone, let them control your screen. You can chat with them while you're looking at their screen, and it also works the other way around. You can be the one that's looking at their screen or controlling their computer screen at the same time. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use, it's very simple and it's very easy. Um, I'm going to show you how to use the free version of this Join.me um, sh- online collaboration website. So if you have an internet connection and a browser, click on it and then go to this web page. It's called join.me, join.me. And then there's two things that you want to look into. There's one that says start meeting and then there's join meeting. Start meeting is the person, this is where you click if you're the one that's initiating the meeting or starting it. So that's party number one or the presenter. And then you'll click on these if you're the one that's joining the meeting. Somebody provided you with a code and invited you to look into invited you to do the meeting, and you will need a code obviously to access that. So let's start with starting a meeting. What you need to do here is click on this orange button and then you'll wait until this is downloaded. And once that's downloaded, you're gonna need to run it. Let's wait because you can't do anything until that's downloaded. So that's completed. We're gonna run it. And after that, this is the window that you're looking at right here. I'm just gonna X this out for now. So every session has different codes. So this 268489786 is your session code. This is what you need to provide to somebody that will be joining the meeting for you. So that's pretty much it. Now, if you're the one that's going to join the meeting, what you're going to need to do is go to a browser and then click join.me. And you're looking at the second option here that says join meeting. So if someone provided me this code 740960485, then I'll click this green button and this will allow me to see somebody else's computer. So this is my computer right here on top and this is the presenter's computer right here. So let's see. This one here is if we need to talk, if you want to call them via phone or internet, you can chat with them. You can also want to see it in a browser or put it in a full screen, so it's just kind of zooming in, zooming out. Um, and this one here is to see how many participants there is in here. And then there's additional tool right here. So you can request control, request to be the presenter role, or request to annotate the screen sharing. So for the time being, just for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to make some things here, like make some changes. For example, I want to go to my apps and I'm gonna do um, so you see what I'm doing from a different computer, um, and then so that's what that is. So I'm just presenting that I want to make some, you can see that what that other person is doing in their other computer. So that's basically sharing. Now, if I want to change or control the other person's computer while I'm looking at it, I'm going to request control on it. And then in the other screen, it says, can viewer one have control? And then I'll say yes to it. And then after that, now I have control in this person's computer. So again, this is my computer, the presenter, and this is the this is my computer, the viewer, and this is the presenter's computer. So what can I do now? I can, let's see what I can do. I can close this. I can look at project plan, for example. Depending on the speed of your internet, this is one of those things that you have to consider. If you're looking at somebody else's screen, um, it primarily depends, the collaboration primarily depends on how fast both your connection will be. So if you've noticed, I'm able to open and basically do whatever I need to do. It's very helpful, especially if it's a huge file, for example, and that person cannot transmit it to you because of file limitation with your ISP. Then instead of them sending it to you, you can just view it from their screen. Or if you're trying to help somebody find something or do a little bit of tweaking in their computer, you can just go in and just basically do this through join.me. So um, once you're finished with this, you can exit and mouse control or exit on the session. But you gotta remember that if you're ever disconnected or if you exit on this, you'll have to re-establish your session, which means that putting in a new number or the new code. And also, if you're disconnected to the internet, obviously, since this is an online collaboration tool and you're using an internet browser to get to it, you will be disconnected. So again, you'll have to reestablish new connection. So if you have additional questions regarding these join.me online collaboration tool, please email me at support@isonetworks.com, or you can read the other information from their website. Thank you and have a good day.